Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 shift key not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is go to your control panel, type a control panel and go to your control panel. After doing this, click on a ease of access center.
Always scan this section.
Okay guys, after doing this set, select a
Start magnifier.
make the keyboard easiest to use. After doing this set, make sure that uh, turn on strictly key is unchecked. So in my case is already unchecked it. So if you are turn it, then uncheck it and click on apply and OK button.
Always scan this section.
The second method is that in the search box type a device manager, open a device manager. After doing this set, select a keyboard, right click, go to your properties, go to your drive, click on update driver, click on search automatic driver, click on search for update driver on Windows Update, check for updates. Now after that checking and download and install if any updates is required. Close it, click on OK button and close it. The next method is that search box and type a device manager. Open a device manager, select a keyboard, right click, go to your properties, go to your drive, click on update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer, select it, click on next button and close it and closed. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open a device manager. After I select a keyboard, select it, go to your right click, go to your properties, click on drivers, after doing this step, uninstall your device, and after uninstalling that, once again reinstall it. After reinstalling that, I hope your problem is fixed. So this is a possible ways to fix this type of error. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.